Today I just cover the topic assign license to user and group in Azure Active Directory and how to we can configure dynamic group. This video is the part of my third video and the continuity of my the previous video. So previous video I just explained how to we can create the group and user. So I don't explain there and dynamic group, okay, because we don't assign the license. Okay, so here we can configure how to we can add the dynamic groups and everything. Okay, so first we will go for the license. So assign license to the users and group. My Microsoft Azure is cloud service that provide a many built-in service for free. Okay, when you are making the Azure account in the portal, so you just receive the free Azure license. Okay, so you need the premium service. You need to activate like a P1 or P2 license. So Azure AD comes with this three service and gain additional Azure AD functionality. You need P1 or P2 license. Okay, additional service. If you like Office 365, you automatically get if you activate like a E5 or E3 license. Okay, because I am not going to the deep for covering for a license. Okay, so Microsoft paid cloud services require license. Licenses are assigned to those who need to access the service, and each user or group require a separate paid license. Administrative user management portal and PowerShell CMD to manage the license. Okay, so I just cover the topic for following: view the license plans and plan details, and set the user location, the parameter, and assign the license to the users and groups. Change the license plan for the users and group and remove the license. So we will discuss with this all topics for this video. Okay, so now we are going to our Azure portal. Okay, so we reach our Azure portal, so we will go for our Azure directory. Okay, so we will check the license, how to we can get the license. So here you can see the license in the Blade Azure Activity Blade. We just to go for here license, just to click this one. Here you needed to, here you don't have, because this is a free license, so we needed to activate license for like a P1 or P2 license. Okay, so license, here you can for license feature, this is a free service. You can see your license feature and all the product. If you have any activated product, so still you are not activating any product, if you need to try to pay, just click this one pay, and self service sign up product, so I will not cover that one. Oh, so I needed to purchase the license. You just try and pay. So see, here they're showing enterprise mobility plus security E5. E5. What is included? It's already included Azure P2 license, and this one included with the Azure P1 license. So enterprise mobility plus security plus. Or you need to Azure AD Premium P2. Just click for the free trial, then activate. So I just, before I need to activate in time, I just explain something like this one. So what is the difference P1, P2 and normal license? We will go for the Google and we will check this one. So I will just go for Azure Active Directory, AD pricing and everything. So we will see here, see purchase method. Azure Premium P1 license included with the Microsoft 365 is $6 per month, so each user, and Azure P2 is 9 user per month. Okay, so this is the pricing tag, and if you need to get the document, just click here. We will so before we will go, I will show you something. Design to premium one, designed to improve organization with more demanding identity and access management. Azure Active Premium Edition, future rich enterprise level. So they will explain here. And Azure Active Directory Premium P2 include every feature all other Azure Active Directory. So we will just go for the documentation and we will just check. So here available version of Azure AD multi-factor authentication, and here you can go for downside. See, if you are use 365 Business Premium 365 E3, you will get the Azure AD Premium one automatically. You don't need to separate purchase. Okay, so Azure AD Premium one, you can use Azure AD condition access, and the Premium 2 risk based condition more option, and all Microsoft 360 plan include not include all the Microsoft, all Microsoft plans, Azure AD Premium, P1, P2, and you not allowed to all the license. Okay, it's separate because I think E3 and Price Mobility Security is available. E3 and E5 Business Premium, is like Azure PD. Okay, so the difference is here. Azure AD free and this one is same. Nothing to anything change. You can when you make the portal and you automatically get this. So this include Azure 365. When you make the Azure 365, you will get this one. So Azure AD Premium P1 and P2, you can get everything like condition access and risk-based condition access only. Azure AD Premium 2. So whatever the license you need, you can purchase as your company organization. Depends on your company organization. So now I just to go for activate my free trial version of Azure Premium. Okay, just I will go for my portal and I just activate this one. Okay, so now I reach my portal. So we already activate if interface mobility security plus E3 comprehensive cloud solution address you have. But uh, as per Microsoft, I think it's take time, but I try to activate now and I will check how many hours needed to activate this one. Okay, so I just go for my free trial, activate because this one pay to okay is included. Okay, I just activate this one. Okay, so here showing I successfully activated and mobility security if I try. Okay, so just I will go for the license and features all product. Yeah, till I think it's not activated till now, but I will just now refresh. I think it take little bit time. Okay, just hold on, I will come back. Okay, see my I already activated my trial version. It's already available here. So see now this one already activated. So I just go for my Azure Active Directory portal, Azure Active Directory portal, and I will check something. What is the overview of there? Yeah, see before is like a free license. Now change it to Azure Daily Premium P2. So I just get to the license now. So now we will go for assign the user to the license. Okay, how to we can assign the license to the user. Okay, just to click your user. You have already users. Okay, so I just go for Tim. Yeah, I just go for Tim. Here you can come license. So just to click your license. So here Tim, you can get the overview, user principal overview, and here the group member one and user type. And I think here B2B collaboration and no see assign rule and assign license is here. So we will go for here. Just to click license assignment. So just to click plus button. So you can select. Then you can add what license you need, Microsoft 365 or whatever even. If you need to remove this click, this license not adding. So this is the bundle, the enterprise mobility plus security. So you need whatever that is, just to click for him. Azure Active Directory Premium P2 and Azure Active Directory Premium 1. So I just P2, it's okay. I just save this button. Okay. Okay, just to go for again the user and check the license is activated. I will go for here just team and again I will check the license is active. So you can just go for here team, you can see assign license is one. So you can go here, you can see the what license you are see. Here is the my activate. I activate already this guys. This team for the license is like enterprise. So next step, how to we can remove it. Simple step, you can go for here, remove the license. Just click the remove button. Are you sure? Yes, just click the remove button. Yeah, the license is removed. Just refresh. It take little time to removing. Okay, or just wait for the removing and I will show you. Yeah, see now the license is removed. So now you the part one is complete. How to we can add the license to the user and how to we can remove the license. So next one, my previous topic I told you the group. Okay, the dynamic group. So that video you make the group only for assign. So because you don't have the license for PD. If you need a dynamic user adding like making the dynamic user group, you need minimum the pre-request for P2, I should active directory P2 or P1. So now we will go and we will see how to we can add the dynamic user group. So I just go for uh, our groups. I just click this group. So we already created our sales group. So sales group is assigned group. So we will make one new group. How to we can add the dynamic group. So just go for dynamic group. So here, see here you can select security. I already explained that video. I will already put. I already explained this video. My previous video for what is the difference with security, and you can please watch my previous video. Okay. So I just go for click. See here, you can see here dynamic user and a dynamic device. So here the difference you see, before I cannot activate, I cannot see this one dynamic user because I don't have the license. So now you see I can activate because I have the license P2. So I just make group name marketing. So market. Okay. Then group description. This group included marketing. Okay. Azure AD rules. This we will design for the next topic. Azure AD rules and RBC process. Then, so here I just go for dynamic user. Then I need to add the dynamic query. So I just go for here. What is add expression? So just add. You need to and or whatever the expression you need, just click. So I just go for uh, like. Choose the property or whatever the property you want to choose. Here some object ID you can see. So I will select what the property is, like department. I just go for department. Then here contains. So what is the condition? Okay, what is the condition means department is like what group we are making, sales, I think sales or marketing. Yeah, I think marketing. So we will add the contains, the department name is marketing. Who is the department? The marketing. So included this group. Okay, what is the condition? Department contains marketing will be add this group. So I will add this expression. So I just add. You can click here add and or. Okay, so I just add another one also, or choose the department. I just put the country. Okay, country United States. Sorry, equal to. You can put contains or equal to whatever, but contains what? United State, or and condition. Okay, what is the expression? A department contains marketing, or country contains United States, moving to the this group. Okay, so your department contains marketing. Okay, so I just go for here and just save. Then you just create it. Okay, so now I make my dynamic group. Just refresh this button. Then yeah, marketing. So now you can go for the marketing group. Just to see no members this group. So because no member related to market, so just we will go for members, and we will go for here the user, Azure Active Directory user. Okay, then we just check one of the user we will add for the department is like a marketing. I think we will take team. I think this. Yeah, what is the identity property? We will check his edit property. Then we will remove him to, yeah, we will go for here department. I will put this guy like a marketing. Okay, then we will add the country country, city, state, country, region, United State. Okay, and already United State, United State. Wait. Okay, just for the downside. Yeah, United States. Just saved. Okay. Now we will change and case sensitive. This is not a case sensitive over that expression, but we need to check. See the group member, team, and assign the licenses. So we will go for our group. See the group is already, I think, is added. Yeah, he already in the security group assigned. So we will go for here. We will go for our group. So we will check the marketing group. Okay. So check your marketing group. See, dynamically add the team member, because the team member we will put in the marketing name is department is marketing. So the marketing group team is automatically added. So you can go for here, you can check this one. So I think you can understand how to we can make the dynamic group. So dynamic group, very important, you need to check your license and pre-requesting license P1 or P2, and then add the expression, depends on the expression. So I in this one, then we will go for marketing group. We will see the team will add in the marketing group. So I think now I just wind up this topic. I think you are now understand the topic, how to we can assign the license and how to we can